You may be shortchanging your customers and damaging your shop's reputation without even knowing it. The reason is understandable, but don't worry, the solution is simple. Oil technology has changed over time from petroleum-based to full synthetic oils, and formulations are more advanced than ever. Fortunately, the information needed to make an educated decision about what oil is right for your customer is readily available. Your customers may likely have a better understanding about the right oil than almost any other component on their vehicle. But what about the oil filter? Though they may have a vague understanding of what a filter does and how it works, many of them have no idea what's really inside the boxes they see on the shelves at their auto parts store. Do them a favor. Install the right filter each oil change. Today, more cars than ever are using synthetic oils. They can offer longer oil change intervals, providing high resistance to chemical breakdown and may be more cost effective. But failure to use the right filter will limit many of those benefits. The oil cleans the engine, but the filter cleans the oil. Each oil filter is designed with specific attention to particulate removal efficiency and dirt holding capacity. The compact synthetic fiber media found in premium oil filters offer improved mechanical strength and excellent water, chemical, and temperature resistance. Full synthetic media oil filters not only catch and remove even the smallest particulates, but are also able to better withstand complex chemical reactions between fuel components, combustion products, and motor oil. And with those extended oil changes, that's more important now than ever. Is every customer an ideal candidate for a premium oil filter like the Purolator Boss with Smart Fusion technology full synthetic media? You might be surprised. Premium filters offer significant benefits to any driver who has severe driving habits. And the fact is, while most people think of themselves as normal drivers, the majority of vehicles on the road are operating under severe driving conditions. As engines and oils have continued to evolve, filtration technology has kept pace. For best results, always offer an oil filter that matches the performance of the premium oil you use. I'm Doug Kaufman. Thanks for watching.